So we have these beautifully installed post and piers, new girder, another post and pier right here. We come up, we have another one right here supporting a home. Come over here, another beautifully installed post and pier. But in reality, it's just dug into this expansive soil. So this is really common to see, because when you go for that cheap bid, this is what you get. These undulate in this expansive soil, and now the homeowner is experiencing a lot of deflection in the flooring, cracking, and so forth, because somebody decided to be cheap.